Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install the Wenyant wiper blades that I got from Amazon. So I have my Subaru Legacy 2017 and it takes wiper blades of size 26 for the driver, 26 inches and 17 inches for the passenger. But these wiper blades come in many different sizes, and the good thing about them is that they come in pairs. So I'm gonna show you how to install them. They use the hook installation, and also we're gonna be testing them. Okay, so let's open them. These are the wiper blades. And to remove this wiper blade, it's very easy. So lift it up, and then because it's a hook, you need to pull it towards you like this, and it will be removed. If you have something covering it, pinch it and remove it like this. So look how easy it is. Now when you remove the wiper blade from the arm, careful not to let the arm snap on the windshield, because otherwise you're gonna break it. So to install the wiper blade, it has a cover. Pinch it from here like this and open it, and hold the hook with your finger like this, and then slide the hook inside, and then it needs to go like this, and then push it from you like this, and here it is installed. And put back the cover until it clicks in place. Of course, you need to remove also the yellow protection here. So just slide it like this. And here's the wiper blade installed. And I'm gonna do the same now to the other wiper blade, which is the passenger one. So for the passenger one, you need also to push it from you like this so that it is removed. And also careful not to let it snap on your windshield. And the same as the other one, so it's exactly the same. So you remove this like that. So I want to show you up close how you put the hook arm. So you slide it from the top cover like this, and then see here, you just now pull it towards you, and here it is installed, and then put back the cover until it clicks in place, and remove the protection. So now we're gonna test them. The first test is from the outside, so for you to see how they work. And I can tell you that they are really good. So let me test them now from the inside so that you see how good they are. And I can tell you that I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of these wiper blades, especially with their reasonable price. Just before finishing this video, I want to thank my beautiful girlfriend that was filming me all the time. If you want to check out these wiper blades, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using this link, I'm going to gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.